Hello everyone, friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can take a long screenshot of Telegram chat screen on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes and write comments after watching this video. And let us get down to the topic. First things first, friends. I recommend you to go to the App Store app and here download one app. In the search box, you see the word data. Search. And here scroll down a little bit. Go to the app called Zeta Stitch. Click right here, save or download. Once this app is downloaded to your phone, click Open, accept all the terms and conditions of this app. Next, friends, you can exit the App Store and go to your phone settings. In Settings, you will have to go to Control Center. And here you will need to make sure that the shortcut called Screen Recording, you have it added. If it's not added and it's not active, then scroll down and in the second list of shortcuts you can find it. And just in front of the word Screen Recording, click on the green plus sign, so you will add it. After that, exit the iPhone settings and go directly to Telegram itself. Here, swipe from the top to the bottom, and you will need to click on Screen Recording. As you can see, after 3 seconds the recording starts. When it flashes like this, it means that the screen recording has already started. Now go to the dialog box and slowly scroll through it. Once you've scrolled through your dialog to a certain point that you want, you just stop, and also from top to bottom just swipe down and stop the screen recording. Now friends, log out of Telegram and go to the Zeta Stitch app. As you can see, it's going to automatically switch you immediately to the last video you made. In this case, it's a screen capture like this. And in order to take a long screenshot, you'll need to simply crop this screen recording. To do that, just move this blue bezel on both sides. It might be a little bit difficult to just grab it in order to get it through. After that, when you've cropped your screen recording, at the top, click Next. And after your screenshot is ready, when it's saved, click Save in the upper right-hand corner. And now right from here you can already click Send or share and share your long screenshot with any of the users. You can also click Delete Original, so you'll delete that screen capture that you had originally. And you can also go to your gallery to see if your big screenshot is ready. You can zoom in and see the quality, for example. If you are happy with everything, you can share, of course, this screenshot and use it further. Friends, this is how you can take a long screenshot of a Telegram chat on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, give your likes, comments. Bye-bye.